Struggling with Vlookup or Xlookup? Let's use Power Query in Excel to merge two sheets. First, go to the Data tab. Click Get Data, choose from File, then from Excel Workbook to load your first sheet. For the second file, repeat the process with New Source, then File, then Excel Workbook. Now, in Power Query, you'll see both files on the left. Click Merge Queries and select Merge as New. Choose the column to match both files and click OK. Double-click the Expand arrow on the second column, uncheck Use Original Column Name as Prefix, and hit OK. Your tables are now merged. Make sure to give a name to the new table and unselect one of the columns used to merge the two tables. Click Close and Load to select Only Connection. Then, right-click the query on the right, choose Load To, and select Table to load the data into Excel. Boom! You're done. You've merged your data in minutes.